guys, it's Jackson UK. I'm back down where I've come from when I walked up with Leon and Sarah, going back to this tunnels that I fell down, so I'm going back to film it. Leon and Sarah hasn't been to this one. I don't think it'd be wise. I don't think it'd be wise for them to come because it's a hill and it's climbing in holes. So you're going to tell me off because I'm going on my own. No. So see you in a minute. There's one place. It's not an entrance. It's all blocked off. I'll show you somewhere else. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Not talk, Eddie. Right. Get closer in. You can't go in that one because that's blocked. So basically you'll be going down there. There's a tunnel down there, take you to there. I did record this, but unfortunately I had to do it again because when my phone broke down, it lost everything, so I had to come back again to come here. It's not far from where I am anyway, so it's not too bad. There's another place. There you go. Someone's been here lately. Slow surf. Right, you have to take it easy. I've got some decent shoes. Keep on going. But bear in mind I fell down this one backwards, so I've got to be extra careful. Right, up here. Right. There you go. There's the place. There you go. Here you go. That's the place. I'm going to go in there. Right. Got to use my Right. I'm going in. Here you go. Okay. Right, here we are, we're in. Just come from that way. You go. Don't know how I fell down in the first place. Right. Just think in the World War II what it was like. Wow. Aussie slates. I think this is an airway shelter because the whole reason I said airway shelter because look on the bottom. See this? They're around the sides on top. So we're going in further. And don't worry people, I'm safe. Right. Ooh. There's toilets. And it's not a big place, but that's why I think that the old bucket there. See that? Wow. And you have to be careful with your feet here. There you go, look. Bear in mind, as I said, this is an old airway shelter, so it doesn't really need to be that big. So So look, it's collapsed there. I won't be going in there. I'm not stupid. All the wood where it's collapsed. Spooky, isn't it? I won't be staying in here long, so there you go. Wow, look at that. Wow. See if any graffiti. There's some graffiti on the wall. The old World War II. See if we can find anything. Find anything? Nothing on there. No. Here you go. 1944. Wow. Old. Any more? Spooky. This probably was. Yeah. It's not a very long one. Go. No. There you go. Gonna go back. Find any more graffiti. Oh, bicycle. See? There you go. Many more. Right, there you go guys. I'm at an airway shelter in Dover. Found another one. Ooh, spooky. So please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you later guys. Bye. It's Jackson UK. Just gone to a tunnel in Dover. Yeah, and then heading back home. It's not a long one, so here you go. I'll be going in there. Well, I'll be coming out of there actually. I'm going back home. See you later, guys. What are you doing?